So the OnePlus 7 has been leaked quite a few times and all that stuff is getting some good attention as it actually admire an all-screen view. Today we have some more info, and just because it comes from a very reliable source, I have to cover the solid gen. Steve from OnLeaks has posted the very first look of OnePlus 7, and as you can see, it looks exactly like the OnePlus 6T with that water drop notch and the same chin. The only design change that they're going to make is the rear flash, as it now sits inside the camera bump with those two lenses. Interestingly, the screen size now gets smaller with a 6.2-inch display compared to the 6.4 on the 6T. Other than that, it's almost the 6T with Snapdragon 855 and maybe some more changes. So OnePlus will release 3 handsets next month. That is the OnePlus 7, the 7 Pro and the 7 Pro 5G. The pricier models will have pop-up mechanism, all-screen design, curved display and triple camera setup that include a 48 megapixel primary lens, a telephoto lens and the ultra-wide sensor to keep up with the new trend. The OnePlus 7 on the other hand has a dual camera setup which again accommodates a 48 megapixel lens and maybe a telephoto lens similar to the 6T. Now initially there was a confusion over this pop-up mechanism, which is not surprising at all, but to make it more clear, OnePlus CEO Pete Law confirms the motorized camera setup for the upcoming device. And again, to provide you with the early info, he says that this is a very smooth technology that plays a very important role in getting an all-screen design, which obviously looks good. Considering the stability of Oppo Find X and Vivo Nex, I believe him and hope that this thing doesn't compromise with pricing, as motorized setup is generally an expensive piece of technology, and that could be the reason why OnePlus 7 is gonna come with a water drop notch. By the way, the 7 Pro is rumored to come with a Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate that should give you the best experience. Also, it will have a new and better vibration motor for haptic feedback. But that's not the end. The device may feature USB 3.1 connectivity, dual speakers, 4000 mAh battery and warp charge at 30 watt. OnePlus is really up to something good, so fingers crossed. And for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.